Welcome guys, in this video I'm going to show you how easy you can pair your Denon headphones with Android smartphone. So to do this, first of all we have to be sure that our device is turned off. You can check it by tapping on each button right here. So when you click on the volume up, as you can see the indicator is not activated. Next we have to use this button, the power button. We have to click and hold it until this indicator starts blinking quickly. So let's do this right now. Click and hold this button and take a look for this indicator. Keep holding. And right now when it starts blinking, you can simply release that button. And next we have to simply open the Bluetooth settings on our Android phone. Click to pair new device. And select Denon headphones from the list. Accept pairing request. And as you can see, we are successfully connected. And that's all for this video. Hope you like it. Remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.